Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 30th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 30th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in antimicrobial properties. Antimicrobial properties in foods and supplements can help bolster the immune system, providing extra defense against pathogens and help reduce the risk of infections, including urinary tract infections and respiratory illnesses. Apple coconut milk smoothie. Ingredients: apple, 1 number, coconut milk, ½ cup, cinnamon powder, 1 pinch. Apple coconut milk smoothie, for the 30th week. Let us see how to make this. Peel and chop the apple. In a blender, combine apple, coconut milk and blend it smooth and fine paste. Add cinnamon powder and whip it. Pour into a glass and serve immediately. Apple coconut smoothies. Coconut milk in the smoothie contributes to hydration, which is essential for maintaining amniotic fluid, supporting increased blood volume, and preventing dehydration. Apples are a good source of folate, vitamin B9, which is crucial for fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects. And then, hope you liked the 30th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.